miles and miles of rental bicycles. It's basically a graveyard. Sometimes you find them unlocked. So this one is locked. You can see here. This one is unlocked. So if we wanted to save some time, we could take a bicycle. So we are on our way to meet some friends for dinner. We are going into the Hutongs, which is the really cool old area of Beijing where things are still a bit more rustic. As you can see here, it's a giant shopping mall. Most of Beijing looks like that now. It's really sad. So we're going to go to the old area of Beijing. We're really excited. We're going to do our best to see what trouble we can get into tonight. Ricky thought the subway was closer, but it's not. So we're going to take those unlocked bikes. Let's, if they're still here. Do we miss it?
It was this one, wasn't it?
Somebody locked it.
No, it's unlocked.
Oh, great. Okay, so here we go. Ricky's gone. He's way up there. He's really good at dodging the traffic. There he is.
Free bike! Oh, we have a little tree! I thought that was a kid.
Oops, okay. Okay, so we made it to the restaurant for dinner. We are here. When you go to a Chinese restaurant, everything is wrapped up individually like this. So everybody will get one of these, and this is kind of your set. So this restaurant is what we call chuar, and chuar is basically just a skewer of meat or vegetables or sometimes bread, and they grill that, and that's mostly what we'll be eating. They also have a barbecue here.
It's like a Euro.
We're gonna have a look through the menu and see what we want, and then we will order and eat a delicious dinner with everyone.
I had so much beer. I'm good about it.
But that you're worried about making mistakes that you regret now. If you don't drink beer, go ahead.
Ines is here! Woo!
Kyle, you're AG, what's that? Argentina.
You'll find anything there. You'll find everything. It used to be extrajoints.com, but it got shut down. So. 5 years ago. Literally 5 years ago, Sunday. Third day was like.
Which you can then plant the flower in. And for some reason, that's good. Okay, he just said this is a part of the body. He wasn't very specific. Focus. Be a makeup brush. There we go. Ooh, yes. Sexy chicken gizzards. Yum, 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 yum. Like wax, though. It kind of does. It's going to be chewy, though. Is it gizzard? You're fine. Ooh, that looks good. That does look good, right? Oh my god.
It's exciting stuff, man. It's like 1.96 exciting stuff. It's exciting stuff. That's racist.
Anything?
Out of my hands.
I'm getting the coals and your hands, yes. Beautiful new plate. So clean. Put that beef on. Didn't we have a pile of beef right there? When
But anyway, they used to be
the face.
almost 2 years.
Bands, and you had that one band, and their hit was Genghis Khan. And it was just them in 70s outfits singing Genghis Khan, hey, and it's just like, that's it, that's like the entire song. It's in German, it just means, you know, Genghis Khan is the guy from the hordes in Mongolia, and it just goes like, it's like a drinking song almost, you know, like, hey, hi. We just finished delicious dinner. Something chwar, something roll, something barbecue. So we're gonna go to maybe a bar for some drinks after.
Come on, we can have like a 3-year-old hanging there.
Charlie's all but no.
Wait.
The tires back there, do this like
So you got 3 guys and a scooter to have the Chinese. 3 dudes.
Come on, Ricky.
I can't breathe. This is our ride to the bar. 3 people.
Wow.
Yeah, you know Pepin Mission?
Pepin Mission?
Okay, go. Okay, let's go. Okay.
Okay, Mike, you know what to do there, right?
Yeah.
We are in a taxi now. We left a little too late for the subway, so we had to grab a taxi and we're headed back to our hostel. It's about 12:20 at night. We stayed out a little later than we anticipated, but that's normal. So we are on our way home. Alright, we made it back to our tiny little hotel room. This wall is actually the bathroom wall. There's not a whole lot of privacy in here. So anyway, we made it back. We had a great time at dinner with our friends. We cycled like mad through a little bit of Beijing. We had some chwar. We had a couple of beers. We had a great time. We rode on the back of a scooter. That was our night in Beijing. We had a great time. We met up with friends. We had delicious food. And that's what a casual night in Beijing looks like. I hope you enjoyed. We certainly did. And we'll catch you next time. Bye.